Welcome back, guys. As you all know, my name is Kalenjaya Abdulmuiz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about Laplace. I know that this topic is actually one of the craziest, let me say, craziest topic in which we students actually find it hard to understand and to solve. So basically, I will be teaching about the introduction about Laplace, how we could solve it, how we could put them together, get the formulas and other things, the essential notes we need to take. So basically, Laplace actually, it's mathematically it has two formulas. So let's go into it. So like I said, it has two basic mathematical formula, which are the Laplace of f of t is equals to what? The limit t tends to infinity, shey you get, integral 0 to t exponential minus st f of t dt. And the second formula is Laplace of f of t is equals to what? 0 to infinity exponential minus st f of t dt. Basically they are the same. Are you getting? It's just like saying this one t in to infinity, whereby if you put infinity here, it's still the same thing as this one. Are you getting? So basically concerning Laplace, there are some basic things we really need to understand about Laplace. The basic let's say equations that we need to note down. So you get, we'll be solving them now. So if you have a question, of find the Laplace transform of exponential 80. So we should find the Laplace transform of exponential 80. Definitely the solution is what? First thing you do, recall to your what? To your formula. And your formula is what? Integral 0 to infinity exponential minus st f of t dt equals to what? The Laplace of f of t. Abi, then they said we should find the Laplace of exponential 80. Definitely they said find the Laplace of exponential 80. Laplace of exponential 80 will be what? Integral 0 to infinity, here you get, exponential minus st. But you have f of t here. But what's your f of t? Your f of t is what? Exponential 80. Are you getting? F of t is what? Exponential 80. Definitely it will be what? Exponential 80 dt. Then checking back to this, we can recall to our what? To our indices. Now if you recall back to indices, whereby we have m raised to the power of x dot m raised to the power of y equals to, in indices, multiplication is what? Plus. Definitely we are having mx plus what? Y. That's all. Now same thing will be applied to this one. Now Laplace of exponential 80 is equals to what? Integral 0 to infinity. Now you are going to pick one, since that's what you did for this, right? Pick one, that's exponential. Then minus st, there's a multiplication sign there, that will be plus 80 dt. I hope you guys are getting. Now Laplace of what? Exponential 80 equals to integral 0 to infinity. Now do your simple mathematics by what? Exponential, what is common here? T is common, right? Then that will be what? Minus into bracket s minus a t dt. Because if you open this now, that will be minus s plus a, minus s plus a. Then the t times this one will be this, t times this one will be this. Are you getting? Now the next thing to do is what? Integrate Now you are going to integrate. You are going to integrate this one. If you are integrating, also for example, if you are solving, there's no need to write this. I'm just trying to explain. If you are, for example, exponential integral of exponential 2x, if you are integrating this, it will be exponential 2x over what? 2. Exponential 2x over 2. So let's apply this solution to this. Now if you are integrating this, let's rewrite it here. The Laplace of exponential 80 is equals to integral 0 to infinity exponential minus a t dt. Now if you are integrating this, the next thing will be exponential, the way we did the exponential abi, then write everything here again, minus s minus a t. Since we are dealing with respect to t, there's no need to put t at the bottom anymore. Definitely the answer will be minus into bracket s minus a. I hope you guys are getting it. Then your interval 0 to what? Infinity. Now the Laplace of exponential 80, definitely your minus will come to the numerator, that's minus exponential minus this over s minus a, then your interval 0 to infinity. Now to solve your intervals, it will be the upper boundary minus your lower boundary. Definitely you'll be having minus exponential minus s minus a infinity, because t is the one you are going to what? Put as this, over s minus a, minus into bracket minus exponential minus s a, then your t will be what? 0 over s minus a. Are you getting? Now any number raised to power infinity will be 0. No start, it will be 0. Definitely you're having 0. Now any number raised to power exponential raised to power 0, that will be what? That's any number raised to power 0 is what? 1. So any number raised to power 0 is what? 1. Definitely you'll be having minus 1 over s minus a. Definitely the Laplace of exponential 80 will be what? 1 over s minus a. That's all. That's the first basic solution you really need to understand. Are you guys getting? So next class I'll be teaching you the next basic solution you guys really need to understand. So thank you very much.